Yo guys, we are back on the Renegade Massacre channel. We have just been to the Rapes Hotel and we've got it off a few good lads, got some info that a Dodge Hill air raid shelters is open. So I'm here with Culture Vulture and hopefully we're going to get in. Stay tuned, it's going to be a good one.
Oh, it's fucking muddy as.
Guys, we are in fucking Dodge Hill with Culture Vulture.
Oi, oi! Renegade Massacre in front of me there, guys.
We've got some info
one, yeah?
that it's, yeah, it's a quick one, bro.
What? This is sick. This is sick.
Sick for a tunnel. We had some info that it was open, guys. Don't know who's done it before us, but somebody in the pub told us it was open. It is fucking clay as fuck. Let me turn the camera around for you and we'll carry on.
No, man. What an anticlimax
So guys,
that was, you know.
we've just got in
Fucking hell.
and they've done a serious number on it. It's fucking clay all over the floor, stuck to my fucking shoes.
Fuck.
And we've come to the dead end.
Hey, we got in Dodge though, bro.
Hey, we got in.
We got in
We got
Dodge
in.
though, bro. It's not much, but here
Just
we
need
are, guys.
just need a spade.
You know what, bro? I don't even know if that's fucking... That's concrete.
That's concrete.
Dodge is done, mate.
At least we've done it, bro.
Fucking hell, man.
Well guys, we've got some really interesting piping on the ground here.
Yeah. Some really nice clay on the fucking wall.
Yeah, really nice clay. Shouldn't have worn fucking Nikes. Oh well. Fucking hell, that was anticlimactic. Hey guys, we can just see down there, there's the fucking hole that we came through.
Wow.
Fucking hell. Yeah, there's concrete there, that must have been one of the routes as well.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna upload this tonight, you know.
It won't take much to edit, will it?
Nah. One video done. That was made from when they actually took it out. But yeah, a little bit of copper up there. It must be a nail or something where my finger is. A nail.
Yeah.
The rust and stuff. But yo, I'm absolutely
Fucking gutted.
I'm gutted, mate. I'm absolutely gutted now because I put a lot of work in. And research and this, that and the other, and it's just...
Met some guys at the pub, said it was fucking open, didn't say it was a fucking dead end.
Like I say, it is open, guys, but there's not much here, as you can see, that's it. It's just,
Yeah,
that's the entrance.
that
there.
tunnel.
And then, you done, mate, you done. But yeah, Dodge Hill for 2019, Culture Vulture TV.
Sorted, mate.
See you on the next adventure, guys.
See you in the next one, guys. Peace.